Hello everyone. Very good morning, very good evening. Welcome to my channel. This is Mallikarjun here. Today I'm going to talk about one of the craziest things or the basic fact about the table spaces. This is one of the mandatory or bare minimal requirement for any DBA has to understand and then work on day-to-day activities, right? So yeah, let's get started on this today's demo. So best basic things or understanding of the table space, we have three types of table spaces in Oracle world. One is a temp table space, undo table space, and remaining all table space comes under normal table space. Your system, sysocs, user, or examples, or any other table space you create are all come under normal table spaces. So these are the three types of table spaces: normal table spaces, or undo table spaces, or the temporary table space. Only the key difference while creation of these three types of table spaces, when you create a normal table space like system, sysocs, users, or any custom table spaces, if you want to create them, you're gonna just straight away call it out, create table space name. Or if you want to create undo table space, one extra keyword, create undo table space. And if you want to create temporary table space, temp table space, you're going to pass the keyword as create temporary table space. So the undo table space has a keyword undo, create undo table space. Temp table space has a keyword create temporary table space. And remaining all table spaces is the kind of a normal table space like create table space and your table space name. Create table space system, create table space sysocs, create table space users, or create table space any custom table space name. All are fall under this normal table space creation. And having said that, officially we don't support this multiple like system and sysocs table space. This is default one system table space, default one sysocs table space per database. We don't support multiple system and sysocs table space per database. And other than system and sysocs, any users, examples, or any custom table space, no limitation. You can create a number of them. Right. So that's just a basics. Let's get started on my lab exercise and try with these commands. I'm going to set the environment to DevDB. Right. So now env verify your environment, capital Vara. So all are set to DevDB, SQL plus slash SSDBA. Right. So very first command, what I'm going to try it out, a small file table space. Create table space that is TBS1. Data file name, TBS1, and initial size, I'm going to give 10 MB and auto extend on. This is your normal table space creation. So your table space created. And now let's go with the undo table space. Create undo table space, and then you're going to create undo TBS 11 or undo TBS new, undo TBS 1 underscore new. I can give new as a name, undo TBS 1 underscore new, and just go and run this one. That's going to create your undo table space created. And now what I'm going to create temporary table space, temp TBS1, and your data file, initial size 10 MB, auto extend on. That's going to create your temporary table space, right? Table space created. All three table spaces are created. These are the only three supported types of table spaces in my database in Oracle Word. These are small file table space. At the same time, the same table spaces you can create with a keyword big file table space. Now what I'll do, create big file. This is the keyword big file and table space, your table space name, big TBS1. So this is gonna create a single data file table space with a larger size. So big file table space created. This is a normal table space with a big file created. And same thing goes to undo as well as temp. Create big file, undo table space. And again, I'm going to go with a keyword new, undo TBS underscore new. So you're gonna create a big file, undo table space with initial size 10 MB auto extend on. Oh, sorry, missed the keyword here. Done. So your table space created. Now let's go ahead and then create a big file, temporary table space, right? Table space created. So we are able to create a small file table space as well as big file table space for these three kinds of table spaces: normal table spaces, undo table spaces, and temp table spaces. For all these three, we are able to create using a small file as well as a big file, right? You can validate, select table space name, big file from DB underscore table spaces. So whatever you are seeing here, big temp table space and big normal table space, big undo table space. These are like big file table spaces. The normal and temp and undo is here. And at the same time, this is like undo table space with a small file, and this is a temp table space with a small file, and this is just a normal table space with a small file. These are like three small file table spaces, and these are three big file table spaces what we created. Right. So that's it for the today's session. So the takeaway points here is you can create a big file or a small file table space for these three kinds of table spaces: undo, temp, and normal table space. And your system sysocs and any other table space fall under normal table space. But per database, we support only one system table space and one sysocs table space. You cannot create a multiple system table space and multiple sysocs table space. Right. So with that, now one bonus command or bonus activity, what I'm going to show you for you guys, how I can drop these table spaces. Quickly try it out. Drop table space and your table space name, including contents and data files. Contents, contents and data files. So this is tedious, right? For example, now I dropped the TBS one. Now I need to drop this one. So I need to again copy this command, and I need to replace the table space name, and remaining thing I need to again paste it. We're going to drop it. So other than that, what I'll do now, I'll just run this one. I'll use variable. I can use this ampersand TBS table space name or table space name, and including contents and data files. That's it. The moment you run it, it's going to ask you what is the table space you want to drop. I dropped this one, I dropped this one. I can give this one now. It's going to drop the table space of this. It's going to drop. And just type this forward slash. Again, it's going to run the same command. It's going to ask what's the table space you want to drop. Let's go ahead and drop this one. So again, forward slash, enter. Again, ask what table space you want to drop. I want to drop this table space. Dropped. Again, forward slash, it'll run the same command. It'll ask what table space you want to drop. This is the table space I want to drop. Done. So all are done. So these are like, smart way how we can manage or administrate your database, right? So left with whatever the default table spaces for my database. All right, guys, that's it for today, and then we'll connect on next session. Thank you.